Okay. Today I got this message for the very first time that audio or video is not working. So, anyways, maybe some technical problem. Right. So we are almost 2 minutes 12 seconds into the live stream. So without wasting further time, then I could see few people who were saying that this is the very first live stream that they are attending till date. I mean, okay. So let's say this is someone is saying, what, ma'am, I've paid 300 rupees to Zerodha but not got ID since 13 days. Oh, so I think you should drop an email at support@zerodha.com. Uh, I think they will be able to solve your query, right? Okay, anyways. So this is the book that we are reading. Is what I am reading. Sorry, Think and Grow Rich. Uh, whatever books you are reading, let's start. I'm hiding the chats. We are 3 minutes into the stream. Uh, so you can also focus phones upside down and followed by 5 minutes of pranayam. Start. Okay, I'm done with reading. I'm starting with 5 minutes of pranayam. Okay, I'm done with 5 minutes of pranayam. I have not still not unhidden the chats. I'm going to quickly update my checklist for the day and then we are going to discuss. Okay, so quickly write down your to-do checklist. Sure. I will tell you what all I did. I read 5 pages of the book today, followed by 5 minutes of pranayam. And yesterday, I originally had only, I guess, some 10 tasks, but then I added 2 more tasks. So in all, I had 12 tasks and I completed 11 out of 12. So yeah, had I not added these two, I might have completed all, but then I thought, let me just push myself further. But still not bad, 11 out of 12 completed. Today again, I have 12 tasks for the day. Oh my God, who is asking that? This is okay. Arbaz Sayed asks, how is the book? It's awesome till now. Whatever I have. Acha, okay, 1 minute. You. Is okay. Shubham, I hope it is okay now. Just tried it. Okay. So yes, what about you all? How did you go ahead with, yeah, is it clear now? Perfect. Perfect. Right. Tell me how many pages did he, okay, 4 pages reading, 5 minutes Anulom, and 9 on 11 completed. Good. Good morning everyone, I'm late today. Okay, Sangeeta, no problem. Do you follow that 5-minute rule of Elon Musk? I'm sorry, I don't know the 5-minute rule of Elon Musk. Book name is Think and Grow Rich is what I'm doing. Okay. Rohan, it's okay. Right. Only 1 page, Nikhil. Why? Wow. Subir says, didn't see your daily habits. Didn't sleep to see your daily habits. Subir, then have a good sleep after the session. Okay. Oops. Fast. Is it Kindle version available? I'm not sure. Okay. Now who's that? Vikas says 7 out of 9 for yesterday, 6 for today, and 1 page reading and 5 minutes of pranayam. Okay. Vikas, you can, maybe you joined in late. That's why only 1 page. If not, maybe you can increase the speed. Okay, Devashish says, I have also bought it. You suggested in your stock market course. Okay. Nagaraj says he will start today. Good. Task list first time prepared. Very good, Ketan. And I'm sure that you will definitely find some value in this by preparing the task list. You basically have some goal that this is what I have to do today. If you don't have any goal, if you don't know that, okay, this is what is supposed to be done, then it happens that you just always feel that, okay, let me just watch another episode of some Netflix series, or let me just binge watch TV sometime, let me check out YouTube, Facebook, Insta. So it's always good that you have some to do tasks for the day. And from, as I told this, like I guess 3 or 4 videos before, I think you should star mark 2-3 tasks out of this. That oh my god, I will answer your question poker fist. But wait, I think you should be star marking 2-3 tasks for the day, so that come what may, you have to complete it. And it is, again, definitely it's a good way that those targets are important, those will be targeted, those will be completed first. So I have already star marked 3 of mine. I hope you are doing that. Chalo, quickly star mark 2-3 tasks which you have to complete, come what may, and then let me know whether you did it or not. Geeta says, till then, good morning. Today is our first day. Good, Geeta. 11 out of 4 yesterday. Nice. Avinash says, Money Heist is too obsessive. I know that even I'm watching it, but I don't cross 1 episode per day. If I complete all the tasks, then I would go ahead with 1 more episode. But otherwise, I would stick to only 1 episode a day. Puru says, I have only 3 tasks. Very good. Right. Okay, I hope that you have star marked your important tasks. Okay. Dilshad says, excuse me, watching your live session for the first time. This is very energetic. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Dilshad. Wow, I think this is the first time I'm saying 333 people live right now. Okay, Sunita says 2-star marked. Nice, Sunita. Okay, someone is asking how intelligent I am rating on 1 to 10. I think 6, because 6 is like above average, which I always feel that, yeah, maybe if you talk about intelligence, maybe if I was able to do CA, then I feel that I should not be calling myself under average, but yes, maybe above average. I don't feel that I'm like super brainy, but if you ask to rate me on hard work, I'll give myself 10 out of 10. So that's what is more important. If I'm asking to rate myself, is hard work is more important rather than intelligence. Okay, very good. Samir says that first time maybe I'll start with 1 task a day. Not bad, Samir. When I started this habit of reading a book, I had started with only 1 page every day. So from 1 page, we have developed a habit. Not only me, along with me, everyone is trying to do that. And yeah, that's why it will definitely make a better version, bring in a better version from everyone. Hard work beats intelligence. Yes, Ketan. Aniket says, what about tasks? Tasks is what we are writing down. Huh? Thank you, Yuvraj. He says, you have become an ideal teacher for the people. Thank you. Hard work is the key to success. Absolutely, no doubt in that. Dipankar says, ma'am, this scale was 1 to Rachana Ranade. Luck favors hard work. Yes, I've said this, I guess, in previous sessions, that harder you work, luck seems to favor you. And I think in this book, a very similar thing is given, that if I can just tell 1 or 2 sentences out of this, that there is, Thomas Edison, who of course everyone knows, the great inventor, and one is Mr. Barnes. And this Mr. Barnes had no background, was not rich at all, did not come from a very high level background, but he had a dream, he had a burning desire to achieve his goal. So when he had that burning desire that yes, I will become rich, I want to achieve a lot in my life. So of course I'm not telling you each and everything in the book, but he said that I will definitely achieve this in my life, that people will remember me a lot. So he said that when he met Mr. Edison, he did not even have the money to go to Mr. Edison. So they were living in two different towns. So he had traveled the distance from his place to Mr. Edison's place uh, by a freight railway. So in Marathi we call that as a malgadi, where goods are carried from one place to another. He went into that. He reached Mr. Edison's office, and from that day he had that dream that yes, I'm going to be a business associate of Mr. Edison. And he had that burning desire. He translated that. He had a proper goal for that. I think I should be just writing these 6 definite steps. So I've marked this as very important also today. So it says 6 important steps to become rich. I think rich, what is rich? I've not reached till there, but what is rich can be different for everyone. Like one can be monetary rich, one can be rich in terms of your health, rich can be in terms of relationships. It can be anything. Rich can be different for different people. So I think those 6 steps are very important. If time permits, you can go through it. If possible, I'll just write it as a small blog type of thing and post it on the community tab today. I'll do that. It's worth reading. Yes, definition of rich may vary from person to person. Absolutely. Okay. Bhaskar says, how do you study? Okay. I study by reading and watching videos. So what I do generally is I watch a lot of videos and I do read a lot from the net as well. I try to take out the most to the point एक summary बनाती हूँ खुद का basically. So it would be like I would have watched like 15-20 videos. I would have read like 15-20 pages easily. Just as an example, I'm telling you. From that, I would make my own summary. I would try to simplify things and then make a video out of that. So that's how I study. Read a lot, watch a lot. That gives you a lot of knowledge. I think mutual funds, someone is asking. I know everyone is, okay. Debopam says, I'm mesmerized by lectures. Thank you, Debopam. What is the impact of Franklin Templeton on today's market? I'm sure everyone has that question in your mind that what happened with Franklin Templeton. I'm going to shoot a video on that today. I'm going to release it most probably today. If not, then by Wednesday for sure it will be released. I'm again going to give you an exact point as to what happened in Franklin and how it can impact the market as well. So we'll talk about that in the video. Okay. Treasure Guide says, ma'am, want to buy technical course. Is it helpful for intraday? Treasure Guide, my technical analysis course is important for what can we say, some short to medium term trading, very good for swing trading as well. But intraday I have covered very less because I myself am not a big fan of intraday trading. So that is the reason why I have not covered it at length. But yes, you can use similar strategies for intraday as well. You may get these lectures, Azim, and you can just visit my website rachanaranade.com, and Shubham has also posted the coupon code for that. Okay, we are 35 minutes into the stream and we are 350 people today. Yay! Good. First time I guess I'm seeing this. 356 now. Good. Fast. Sahil says, ma'am, good morning. My chat is never read. I am making proper notes of your lectures from day one. Chalo, Sahil, I answered. I read your chat. I hope you understand that I'm not a superwoman. 366 people live now, and everyone, not everyone, but yes, even if I say like 20% of those are typing out, becomes difficult for me to read all the chats. Okay, so excuse me if I'm not answering anyone's chat. It's not by intention. Okay. Good morning, good morning. FPI pull out 10,000 crore from capital market. Do you think it will be a gap down, ma'am? If they're pulling out 10,300 crores from the market, it's a big one. Uh, I have not checked. Frankly speaking, I have not checked how US closed. What is, I mean, SGX Nifty is also worth watching before we decide whether it will be a gap down opening. I have not watched. So US closing and SGX opening, Asian markets opening, all these are very important things. Then only we can come to a base conclusion as to what might happen today. Okay, but again, I never believe in aaj kya hoga. I believe in coming few days what will happen, and I've always and many times I've told my view on the market. I feel overall bearish even today. Thank you, Aniket. Acha, Porus says US closed 1% up. So see, that's a positive sign for the market then. Okay, thank you, Reshma. We are 36 minutes into the stream. Almost 375 people watching live. 378. Have you done any video on solar energy? No, never. Okay, anyways, but I think we are out of time. We have already decided that not more than 35 minutes. Everyone has their own tasks to do. For those who joined in late, those who are watching this live stream for the very first time, I'm just repeating quickly why we do this stream. We start our stream every day 6 in the morning sharp, 6 a.m. sharp we start. Number one, we are developing the habit of reading books. Number two, we are developing a habit of 5 minutes of pranayam, trying to build immunity in ourselves. It could be pranayam or it could be any sort of exercise. Okay, so basically building good immunity, building a good physical health for ourselves as well. And third, what we are trying to do is we are trying to plan out our day. We are trying to have some tasks for the day. We are trying to fill up checklists. Okay, and we are trying to finally bring a better version out of ourselves is the main target of our 6 a.m. live stream. I'm sure many of you are already feeling that yes, maybe how I was and how I am, there's definitely some kind of difference in us. Okay, so yes, I guess that's it. For those who joined in late, just wanted to tell what is this 6 a.m. stream about. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow 6 a.m. live. That's it from my side. Do complete all your tasks